In this video, I will show you how to buy Robux with a Paysafecard on iPhone. So to do this, you will need to go on to the Roblox website instead of using the Roblox app, because in the app itself it's not possible. So just go to roblox.com and sign into your account, and from there then click on the Robux icon in the top right and click on Buy Robux. Now here select however much you want to buy. So for example, I'll select the €6 one at the bottom. And now here for the payment method, just gonna click on Other. And then here you will then be able to select a Paysafecard. So go and click Paysafecard. And then here you can then enter your email for the receipt. And then once you click Pay Now, it will then redirect you. And then you can go and use Paysafecard. So that's how to buy Robux with a Paysafecard on iPhone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.